How do they get the wrinkles out? They stretch it while baking it.
Why number every piece? If you mix layers, the sleeves might be a slightly different shade of blue.
This batch is much heavier.
Yes, but the truck is here now.
Why mix them together? To ensure the final thread has consistent thickness everywhere. How fast is it spinning?
Over 10,000 rotations per minute.
Why dip it in glue? Without this shield, the rough loom would break the threads instantly. How fast is it weaving? 10 times faster than the human eye can track.
Is bleach safe? They use hydrogen peroxide, the same stuff in your first aid kit. Let's add some color. How do they get the wrinkles out? They stretch it while baking it.
Do they check every inch? Yes, human eyes and cameras check 100% of the fabric.
How much fabric in a roll?
Exactly 100 meters.
But wait, we make other things too.
How strong is it? Strong enough to hold 50 kgs of laundry for years.
Are these handmade?
Yes, 100% handcrafted for the premium market.
Let's store everything. Where does all this go? To 50 countries around the world. Wait, we're not done. Let's make a shirt.
How many shirts in this stack? This single stack will become 500 shirts.
Why number every piece? If you mix layers, the sleeves might be a slightly different shade of blue.
Is it strong? Lock stitches are designed so if one breaks, the whole seam doesn't unzip.
Are those plastic buttons?
No, they are made from coconut shells to stay 100% natural.
Is it done? Not yet. It's wrinkle from sewing. Steam power.
Is that plastic? No, it's a biodegradable plant-based bag.
Why wrap it in plastic? To keep the boxes from falling over during the bumpy truck ride. Why use the rough part? Rough fibers are too scratchy for shirts, but perfect for tough rugs.
Does the color fade? High temperature pressure dyeing locks the color inside the core.
Is that banana thread? The vertical strings are cotton for strength. The visible part will be banana.
Why hit it so hard?
To pack the fibers tight so dirt can't get inside.
Is it printed? No, the design is woven into the structure itself, making it non-slip.
Why the glue? It locks every thread in place so your pet can't pull them out. Baking it dry.
Is it like a haircut?
Exactly. It gives the carpet a clean, professional shave.
This heavy binding protects the edge for 20 years. The finished masterpiece.
Is it soft? It feels like a mix between jute and wool, cool and textured.
It prevents the heavy rug from bending or creasing in the middle.
Will it get moldy? Not with these 50-gram silica packs absorbing all the moisture.
Is it waterproof?
Yes, this plastic seal keeps it dry even in a storm.
How heavy is that stack?
About 300 kilograms of pure banana fiber.
Easy, easy.
Keep it coming straight back, just a little more.
Will they fall out? This safety net catches them if they shift, sealing the deal.
Why choose the rough stuff? Rough fibers grip each other better when twisted, making a stronger rope.
How fast is it twisting? 3,000 twists per minute, making it thicker.
Why twist it backwards? Twisting opposite ways locks the rope so it doesn't untwist itself.
Is it done? Structurally, yes, but it's too hairy. Why oil it? To stop it from rotting in water and make it shine. The perfect coil.
Did it break? It held 1 ton. That's the weight of a small car. Ready for the shelf.
Why wrap it? Natural fiber absorbs water from air. This keeps it dry. Checking the weight. Where is it going? To ports, farms, and hardware stores worldwide.
Clear to drop. All right, let's get this stacked tight. We need the space.
Can the driver open it? No, only the customer at the other end has the cutters. Done. Seal number matches the shipping documents.
The consistency looks good on this batch. Yeah, the cellulose content seems high.
Why chop it? If pieces are too big, they won't cook. Too small, they dissolve. The giant pressure cooker.
Is it boiling?
Yes, at 160 degrees Celsius to melt the natural glue holding the plant together.
Why beat it? Beating makes the fibers sticky, so they bond without glue. How wet is it? It starts as 99% water and 1% fiber. The press rollers. Is it printed? No, the logo is pressed into the wet fiber itself, squeezing out the water. Is it dry yet? Still 60% water. It needs heat.
How hot is it?
The cylinders are 120 degrees Celsius to flash dry the paper. Gradual heating prevents wrinkling, making it smooth.
Why iron it? So your printer ink doesn't smudge. The jumbo roll.
How much paper is that? One roll equals 50,000 notebooks. Back to main video.
How fast is it cutting? 300 cuts per minute, making 10 sheets per cut. Counting to 500.
Why wrap paper in paper? To keep humidity out. Wet paper jams printers. Putting it in the box.
Is it heavy? Yes, paper is dense. The robot saves workers' backs.
Where does it go? To offices and schools around the globe, ready for the world.
How heavy is paper? That single pallet weighs as much as a small car. Entering the truck.
It's an industrial airbag that keeps the heavy pallets from crashing into each other. The final strap. The heavy right door swings shut over the left. The handle rotates. The yellow bolt seal is inserted. Click.
Will it ruin my white socks? We wash it with white fabric here to make sure it's safe.
Can a fruit become leather? Yes, Banana Tex is the new vegan leather trend.
Is it like glue? It's a mix of banana fiber and tree sap. Exactly 2 millimeters, the same as cowhide. Baking it solid. Is it real leather? Not yet, it's too smooth. It needs texture. Can you tell the difference? Even experts struggle to tell this, apart from cow leather.
How much is it worth? Retail value, $150. Raw material cost, $2. Next tease, lunchtime.